Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and a good well above average volume day. Although overall, I'm not going to call the chart totally ruined, but it's looking very, very sketchy. I mean, the price did make a great move, so I'll give credit where credit's due. Price started off very, very nicely on the day, but then from that point, it was pretty much all bears the remainder of the day. So the price pulled back, and yeah, it was a low volume pullback, but also in this price range, you got to be aware of just people's interest levels. And when volume drops off that much, it just also symbolizes people just kind of losing interest and moving on and finding other penny stocks and stuff to trade. So again, that doesn't mean that this thing is totally going to collapse. I'm just saying that's why it's looking pretty rough, because not only is the price pulling back, it just seems to have lost a whole lot of interest compared to what was going on with it this morning. But the one level to watch going into Friday is going to be right here at right around about 0.132, so slightly up above 13 cents. So 0.132, and that, there's nothing fancy behind this in terms of why it's important, because if the price were to go down to that area and then crack below it and then just keep on going, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart that it just broke out from. And going back, not a sign of true strength. So definitely keep a close eye on that area, because like I said, if the price does not hold above it, then literally the price has gone back to where it was, and that would just kind of be the epitome of a totally fake move, meaning the price made a great move up, and now all of a sudden the price literally right back to where it started. Some people would even call that a pump and dump. I'm not saying that towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. These comments are just being made on how the price has acted. So if the price were to act in that manner, then yeah, I would understand how people would, call it a price, price action pump and dump. As far as resistance levels, just in case this thing turns around, the key overarching level to keep an eye on is going to be that pink line there, the 200 period simple moving average. So keep a close eye on that if things get, if the price can start to show some signs of strength. However, as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is definitely staying up above that green line there, because that's kind of the do or die level in this, in the sense of, is the price going to make some progress, or is the price literally going back to where it was? So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.